Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Yamaha R6, a machine built for those who live for speed, precision, and pure adrenaline. The 2025 Yamaha R6 is a motorcycle that continues Yamaha's legacy in the world of high-performance sport bikes. For decades, the R6 has been a favorite for those who crave a combination of precise handling, blistering acceleration, and superb agility. In 2025, Yamaha takes everything that made the R6 iconic and refines it further, making it a top contender for anyone seeking a performance-focused sport bike. Whether you're on the track or tackling twisty roads, the R6 stands as a testament to Yamaha's commitment to excellence in the world of racing-inspired machines. Right off the bat, the first thing you'll notice about the 2025 R6 is its design. The R6's styling is unmistakable. It has a sharp, aggressive look that exudes confidence. Yamaha has evolved the bike's aesthetics, making it sleeker and more aerodynamic. The design incorporates elements from the YZR M1 MotoGP bike, which is a nod to Yamaha's motorsports heritage. The bike's LED lighting system, from the headlight to the taillight, is designed not only for efficiency but also to give the bike a futuristic and aggressive appearance. The front headlight is especially notable, featuring a dual LED setup that looks both functional and aggressive, almost like the eyes of a predator. This lighting system is not just about looks, though. It provides superior visibility at night, improving safety on the road. As for the bodywork, the 2025 Yamaha R6 keeps the sleek, streamlined fairing design that's become a hallmark of the bike. The aerodynamics have been fine-tuned to reduce drag and improve stability at high speeds, which is crucial for a sport bike built with track performance in mind. The bike's aggressive stance is complemented by a more compact and aggressive chassis that makes it feel light, nimble, and ready to dive into corners. Moving on to performance, the 2025 Yamaha R6 is powered by a 599 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, inline-four engine that remains one of the most refined power plants in its class. This engine is known for its smooth delivery of power across the rev range, with Yamaha's engineers having fine-tuned the power delivery for both street and track riding. The engine is capable of pushing out approximately 118 horsepower, a figure that, while impressive, is only one part of what makes the R6 a standout. One of the key performance features of the 2025 R6 is its ride-by-wire throttle, which allows for precise control over throttle input, making for a more responsive and seamless connection between rider and machine. This feature enhances the overall ride experience, especially when you're gunning for top speed or trying to maintain smooth throttle transitions in tight corners. The engine is mated to a 6-speed constant mesh transmission, which ensures smooth shifts during aggressive riding or track sessions. This, combined with the advanced electronics package, means you can enjoy a ride that's not just fast but also precise. The slipper clutch, a key addition, helps smooth out downshifts, making the bike more manageable during aggressive braking or cornering. This technology also helps reduce rear-wheel hop, which is a common problem with high-performance sport bikes. Speaking of electronics, the 2025 Yamaha R6 has an advanced suite of rider aids designed to enhance both safety and performance. It comes equipped with Yamaha's chip-controlled throttle, YCCT, which optimizes throttle response in varying conditions. There's also an advanced ride-by-wire system that allows for multiple riding modes, letting you fine-tune the power output depending on your preference or the conditions you're riding in. Traction control is standard, ensuring that you stay glued to the road even when pushing the limits, while the quickshifter helps keep you in the power band during aggressive riding. Another standout feature is the R6's fully adjustable suspension system. The bike comes with a 43mm inverted front fork and a rear monoshock, both of which can be dialed in for your specific riding style and the road or track conditions you're dealing with. Whether you're looking for a softer ride for street commuting or a stiffer setup for track days, the suspension can be tuned to your exact needs. This adjustability ensures that the R6 performs at its peak, no matter the scenario. Handling is where the 2025 R6 truly shines. The lightweight chassis, combined with the R6's low center of gravity, makes the bike incredibly nimble, particularly in corners. The quick and responsive steering allows the R6 to carve through turns with ease, giving the rider the confidence to push the limits in the twisties or on the track. This is further enhanced by the 17-inch wheels wrapped in high-performance tires that grip the road or track like glue, providing exceptional stability and cornering prowess. The braking system on the R6 is another point of pride. The bike features dual 320mm discs up front, paired with advanced radial mount calipers, and a 220mm rear disc. This setup offers strong, consistent braking power and feels incredibly confident under hard braking, whether you're slowing down for a tight turn or coming off the straights at full speed. The R6 also comes equipped with ABS, which is a crucial feature for both safety and performance, ensuring that you maintain control even in emergency situations. In terms of comfort, the 2025 R6 is certainly designed with the performance rider in mind, which means comfort is secondary to pure racing ergonomics. The seating position is aggressive, with the handlebars set lower and the foot pegs higher, allowing for optimal lean angles when cornering. For taller riders, this might feel a little cramped, but for those who appreciate the aggressive stance that's typical of race-inspired bikes, the R6 is perfectly positioned to give you full control over the bike. As for fuel capacity, the 2025 Yamaha R6 holds 17 liters, 4.5 gallons, of fuel, which is reasonable for a sport bike of its size and performance. While it's not as fuel efficient as some other types of bikes, you'll still get a good range on longer rides before needing to stop for fuel. In terms of overall weight, the R6 comes in at a dry weight of around 190 kilograms, 419 pounds, making it a lightweight contender in its class. Now, when it comes to pricing, the 2025 Yamaha R6 is expected to retail for around $12,199 in the US market. While not the cheapest option in the sport bike category, the price is justified by the level of performance, technology, and handling the R6 delivers. It's a bike that's designed for serious riders who want to take their performance to the next level, whether on the street or the track. For those looking for something special, the 2025 R6 also offers a special World GP 60th Anniversary Edition, which pays homage to Yamaha's racing heritage. This limited edition model comes with unique paint schemes, special graphics, and a host of exclusive touches that make it a collector's item for Yamaha fans. The 2025 Yamaha R6 is more than just a bike, it's a tool for performance enthusiasts. With its race-inspired design, advanced electronics, and exceptional handling, it's a motorcycle that continues to raise the bar for what a middleweight sport bike can do. Whether you're carving through twisty roads or taking on a track day, the 2025 R6 delivers thrills, precision, and an unparalleled connection to the road or track beneath you. If you're serious about sport bikes and want a bike that stands at the top of the class in terms of both performance and design, the 2025 Yamaha R6 is ready to deliver. Thanks for riding with us at Bike Culture Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and riding inspiration. See you on the next ride.